this is Adam with Adam's Innovations and Adventures, and today I'm here with you, and I'm going to show you my Ram Eco Diesel. It's a 4th gen. What I'm about to show you on it is my tailgate spoiler. It is or your protector. I'm sure a lot of you have dealt with this over the years, and basically what we got going on is when you go to open your tailgate after it's been raining all night or snowing, the next morning you come out, you go to open the tailgate, and it just dumps all over. So you come over here, you gotta get in your truck, you're not paying attention, you drop it, and it just all over you. Just about every time. So, what I did is I got online and I found this little guy. Now I got two things here. It's not just a new spoiler, but it's also a tailgate protector. And as you can see, I have the Line X bed liner on here, which is wonderful. So when you drop your tailgate, you know, if you happen to have a trailer on and the crank handle's right there, this helps to protect it. This here from Geno's, as you can see, it's nice and flat across the top. You know, the spoiler, I do like the look of it, but I don't like getting wet feet every time I come out in the morning or after it's rained. You go to get them back to the truck. You know, the other thing is it kind of builds up against my tonneau cover and leaks down inside. So, as you can tell, this up here, the old one just kind of stops right here on the top. This new one actually wraps up and over the edge. So what they call this is they call it the Splasho Whammo by Geno's Garage. And they say it fits the 2010 to 2021 2500 and 3500 Ram. And from 2009 to 2018, it fits the 1500. They say if you have the classic 1500, it will fit that also for 2019. So, with that said, let's go ahead and see what it takes to get this thing put on. One more thing I'd like to mention, I also got this little goodie here. See how my tailgate just drops here super quick? Well, to help protect it, because I tow a trailer pretty frequent, not only is this going to be nice from Geno's Garage having that extra lip, but I got tailgate assist from DZ, and so I'll show you how to put both these on, and this will be a separate video. Alright guys, so here's the tools I'm going to be working with to get this tailgate protector off. I don't know if any of you other guys have this. I'm pretty sure these little brackets are the straps for the tailgate extender. I bought this truck used. That's my guess is what that's for. It doesn't show on their instructions having to remove these little brackets, but I need to. It's bolted through it. I don't know everyone else, but mine's a 5/16 or an 8mm for those. I've got your little standard push-in clip remover. Screwdriver always comes in handy, and a speed wrench with a 30mm torque. Now, in their instructions, they don't suggest removing this piece here. They just say pull the 6 push-in trim screws and then yank it off. Well, my spoiler's in pretty good shape, and if somebody in need needs one, you know, I'd rather sell it than just break it and be wasteful of good material. So I'm gonna go the route of removing this, taking these out, and then seeing if I can't just push the clips on the inside and getting this off in one piece and having a good piece still that I could sell. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and take that apart. Alright, so you seen how I got that all off, and if you look in here, you can see there's the one clip there, there's two more there, two there, two there, two there, and I believe two there. That one might be broken. It looks like somebody tried to pry my tailgate up at some point, breaking this clip, but it's only one, so you know, I feel like it's still a nice piece. Now, obviously, it's a pretty good sized hole, so you get your hand in here, but if this rod is in your way, they're really easy to take off. You just push this little thing over, lift it like so. There you go. I could show you this here. Going the wrong way here. So just push it over. So see what I mean? Just push that over, lift it up. Now it's out of the way, so that way give you a little extra room to get in there. If you ever have a tailgate that's not unhooking, it could just be these little plastic things broke on you on that end, or even possibly down here on this end. So keep that in mind. That'll keep your tailgate from unlatching. This is also a good way to access the power lock on this truck for the tailgate latch. So if something's up with that, now you know. Anyways, so I just wanted to touch base on one more thing. Like I said, I unhooked this bracket here on the tailgate rod, but I also went over here, and you can see the green one. You just push that back, same thing, it drops down, and then you're able to get this whole rod out. That way you can get your hand in here and then access that little square hole there with a pair of just nose pliers. You just got in there, and all you got to do is just squeeze these little guys right here. Just squeeze them together, and as you're doing this, you're going to want to squeeze, and you'll start here at one end, you'll squeeze it, and you'll pull on this thing, and then you'll get to the next one here, and you kind of pull on the top, and then work your way to the bottom, pull on the bottom, pull on the top, pull on the bottom. And as the further you get down, the easier it becomes. So with that said, a lot nicer. Now, I'm a little bummed out they didn't add those clips on this new piece. They're not really necessary, because if you look, this thing, so if you look at this, you'll see that because it wraps around, you want to kind of, the tailgate will stick past like quarter about on each side, but it's kind of fits like a glove, I guess you would say. It's really on there, so it's not going anywhere. So with that said, before you do all that, putting that on there, you're gonna want to take, and they give you these alcohol wipes. I went ahead and used some spray away glass cleaner. You guys ever use this? Never have. I highly recommend it. Stuff's amazing, smells great, awesome for cleaning your car. I use it for window tinting. Gino give you this tool. There you are, right here. I guess it's supposed to be for popping those little clips out right here. I find it completely useless. I have a similar tool in my toolbox over here, actually, for window tinting, so it's going to be perfect for that. I'll just have another window tinting tool. But anyways, once you get this all cleaned up, go ahead and scuff where you want to put these, because instead of using these little brackets or clips, instead of using the clips here, they use double-sided 3M stick tape. So you clean this piece up. They suggest putting it across the face here. So I'm going to put one on each corner. Hopefully it sticks to my bed liner. And then I'm just going to put one right here on the top too, because they give you a total of 6. So I'll put one here and here. So that's on there. It's looking great. Once it's on, like I said, that 3M sticky tape will help hold that. It's on there really good though, because like I said, it's wrapped around there tight. And then once you put these in, then they give you 6 brand new ones of these. So these are, you know, they just push in. You should just be able to kind of push them in with your thumb, like so. Now, these ones on these holes don't quite line up perfectly, as you can tell. I mean, it is aftermarket. It's off a little bit. It's unfortunate, but if I have to, I'll just file it or egg shape it just a little bit. There you have it, guys. The Splash Whammo by Gino's Garage. Perfectly flat. So I did add a couple tools to my arsenal. They give you this for scuffing up the paint. You put that 3M on there. They do give you a little primer pen. I didn't use it. Had to use a little round file. It's my chainsaw file, but it worked great. You know about that one. This was Gino's tool. Wasn't needed. Used razor blade just because I have the bed liner, and so I had to cut it back just a little bit, a little angle, so that, you know, like I said, this doesn't fit quite like factory. A pair of needle nose pliers, screwdriver, and these worked great for getting these out. This didn't quite work like I hoped, but a pair of pliers, and then you could just pull those right out. Other than that, that's it. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, subscribe. Watch my next video on putting this tailgate assist on. Thanks. So here's it with the tailgate closed. If you get to look at it, actually it's kind of goes flat across here and then rolls down, which is really nice. It just sheds that water right off there. And if you're wondering on this, it was $107. That included the shipping. It says $99 on their website, but in total it was $107 shipped to my house. Hope you guys liked, and talk to you soon.